Welcome to Meelko Pellet Mills. Chicken farming is a vital part of agriculture, providing fresh eggs and meat. Today, we'll guide you on making high-quality feed pellets for chickens using the Meelko Pellet Mill. Let's start with the essential raw ingredients: corn, soybean meal, wheat bran, fish meal, minerals, vitamins, and limestone. Each ingredient provides vital nutrients for your chickens. Measure and mix the ingredients thoroughly to ensure a balanced diet. Next, grind the ingredients into a fine powder for easier processing and uniform pellet size. Feed the mixed ingredients into the Meelko Pellet Mills hopper. The machine will compress the mixture through a die, forming uniform pellets. Use flat dies in various sizes, 2 mm to 4 mm, for convenience. After pelletizing, cool and dry the pellets to remove excess moisture, hardening them and extending their shelf life. Store the finished pellets in a cool, dry place to maintain quality. Now, you have high-quality feed pellets that your chickens will love, providing cost savings and nutritional benefits. Additionally, you can customize the pellet recipe based on the specific needs of your chickens, whether they are broilers or layers, ensuring optimal growth and productivity. Regularly monitoring and adjusting the feed composition can further enhance the health and performance of your flock. Choosing Meelko Pellet Mills for your chicken feed production is a smart investment in the health of your flock and the financial health of your farming operation. If you have any questions, visit our warehouse or contact us at info@meelko.com or call +1 786 216 8098. Thanks for watching.